a few random people here, and they will have to guess who is the wife or husband. But they will not know because they only can touch one body part. One body part. The eyebrow is on top of the eye, not the nose. Okay, you raba-raba. Later you marry that person now. Next, third eyebrow, number 3. Okay, done. Next. Because this one he shares his eyebrow. Next one's a guy. That's the eyebrow only, We should just make a cut our laugh. Is this the point? Don't call out our laugh, okay? Sometimes we do answer. Last one! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is the 6th one. Wow, this one she used 2 fingers. Eyebrow only, actually with a finger. 6 Your new husband, everybody! So that's feel raba-raba ni touch kira touch okay wow shaky bro okay that is number 1 that's number 1 for you okay number 2 give me some time to think number 3 this one is short this one Number 4. Number 5. And always so eager and always trying to give that. Number 1, you know. Face it up, when you hold it low, you hold it up. Then the video is something nice to see. This one really. Okay, last but not least. This one I think is the one. This one is awesome too. This one sexy. This one moisturize. This one. A bit of glitter some more. I don't know why it's about glitter some more. Okay, you feel everybody. 1 to 6. Take your thing, my brother. 3. And you may remove your light bulb and your my man. So she needs a shot.